फेब्रुवारी महिन्याची हयन्हयशी थंडी आणि त्या थंडेतल्यान सकाळची ऊब घेऊन येवपी ही गरमी. वातावरण सुंदरूच. मजा म्हणल्यार ज्या जाग्यार आमी बसल्या थंय जितलो सुंदर सूर्य उदेता तो दिसता तितलोच तो मावळटा तो दिसता. अशा सुंदर वातावरणात तुमकां सगळ्यांक मना काळजासावन परतून एकदां येवकार. डॉक्टर प्रेमानंद रामाणी हें नांव जशें गोंयकारांक नवें न्ही तशें तें देशांत आनी विदेशांत परिचयाचें. 82 वर्सांचें हें तन्य व्यक्तिमत्व. तांची उमेद आनी काम करपाची प्रचंड उर्बा जर पळयली जाल्यार ही व्यक्ती 82 वर्सांची काय 28 वर्सांची हो प्रश्न निर्माण करता. काम करीत रावप हो जल्मासावन गुणधर्म. आमी म्हणटा लायफ इज शॉर्ट, पूण ह्या शॉर्ट लायफांत कितें आनी कितलें करूं येता हें दोतोरा कडल्यान शिकचें. आकाशांत वयर वयर उडटा आसतना देश विदेशांत भोंवडी करता आसतना आपल्या घरट्या कडेन बारीकसाणेन नदर दवरता एक शेवणें. चिव चिव करीत आपल्या जिणेचो आनंद हें शेवणें घेताच, पूण आपल्या घरट्याकूय तें विसरना. दोतोर खंयूय आसूं, गोंयच्या फोंडें म्हालांतल्या वाडी तळावली गांवांतल्या ह्या आपल्या घराक ह्या घरट्याक कशेंच विसरना. तरणाटे ही तांची मोख. तांचे खातीर ह्या गांवच्या तरणाट्यां खातीर तांच्याच संकल्पनेंतल्यान हांगा जिमनेजियम, लायब्ररी, चिल्ड्रन प्ले रूम, चिल्ड्रन प्ले गार्डन, योगा क्लासिसां खातीर हॉल, कम्युनिटी सेंटर, क्रिकेट ग्राउंड आनी पेविलियन, बॅडमिंटन कोर्ट, म्युजियम हे आज मेरेन तयार जाल्या लोकार्पण जाल्यात. प्रत्येक वर्सा क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंट आनी एसी कॉम्पिटिशन ऑर्गनायज जाता. इंटरनॅशनल फेम आशिल्ली एन्युअल डॉक्टर रामाणी गोवा मॅरेथॉन आयोजीत जाता. आनी आज हांगा जमल्यात ते द म्युजियम ह्या आनीक एक सोशियल प्रोजेक्टाच्या उद्घाटनाक. गांवांतल्या खास करून खेड्या गांवांतल्या इश्कोलांत आनी कॉलेजींत शिकपी तशेंच बायल मनशांक शिक्षण, मोटिवेशन आनी इन्स्पिरेशन मेळचें ह्या उद्देशान हो प्रोजेक्ट आज लोकार्पण जाता. On this very occasion, may I request Dr. Ramani, the Chief Trustee of Srimati Ahilyabai Ramani Pratishthan, to kindly welcome the guest and the gathering and to express your feelings, sir. Please.
Good morning. हांव गोंयचो पूण मुंबय रावता न्हय. कोंकणी बरें भाशण करपाक येना म्हाका. Excuse me if I say a few words in English, On behalf of Srimati Ahilyabai Ramani Pratishthan, I, as its president, welcome you all for today's function. Dignitaries on the dais, Govind Baba amcho, Honorable Minister for Art and Culture. I don't know how many years he is a minister, but during this period, he is very energetic, dynamic, and amchoच फोंडेचोच. See, we have met, I don't know, several times. Even yesterday we have met at the government's ground. We had to inaugurate their journalist All Goa cricket tournament. We are here today, and that is not the end. Again, after maybe 20 minutes of this function, we have to go to another function to attend that function also. That is how life goes. So, Govind Bab, thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Thank you very much. Digambar Bab, आमचो सगळ्यांत senior political leader, and he is a well-wisher of mine. He has attended so many of my functions, not only in Goa but also in Mumbai. And I still remember when I invited in Mumbai, he was to come from Mumbai, picking up his son who was coming from abroad to Goa 1 week earlier. He postponed his coming 1 week later just because he wanted to stay in Mumbai to attend my function. I will never forget that moment. Digambar Bab, he is, you know him well because he is very senior. He is now leader of the opposition. He has been the ex-chief minister. In the past, he has, as I said, I demolished my ancestral house and built a ground and first floor building there, multi-purpose, which was inaugurated by Digambar Bab. Okay. A very warm welcome for you, Digambar Bab. Thank you very much for coming here all the way. Yeah, thank you. Subhash, ex-honorary MLA and ex-education minister. I think we have been in touch. He has been my well-wisher from the time, how many years back I can't remember, from the time, every time I started all these activities here, he has always been there, blessing all the activities. With the result, so much so, I'm so much habituated that I don't invite him, I just inform him, tomorrow is my function, or day after tomorrow is my function. And he comes here with love, maybe just next door neighbor, we have to just cross Borin, then Shiroda has come there, very nearby. So he's very our near one. Thank you very much, Subhash Bab, coming. I'm very, very lucky in this Wadi, Taravali, to have a very young, dynamic, energetic Sarpanch, Dilesh Gamkar. He is so active. And once he conceives anything, he takes idea in his mind. Oh my God, he will complete it, he will finish it immediately. Vice bookwork somehow, So I feel very lucky that he has been helpful for the development of many of my projects here in Wadi Taravali. Dilesh Bab, thank you very much. Thank you. Wapaya Sangha, Vinayak Bab, I call him my shadow in Goa. I am in Bombay. All that I plan, all that I conceive, I just speak to him, and he works very hard, not only physically, but he works very hard mentally also to see that it is not only function held, but his health is successful and takes a very effective function. So he works both with his mind and with his body. From the beginning, all the time, he has been here, making success of all the functions, all the program that I hold here in Wadi. I feel very happy that these traits in him have been inherited by the next generation. His daughter Siddhi, who is here, she has also inherited these qualities. She also not only works very hard for my programs, you can see here she is working all the time, but she also thinks, is there anything we can do to make it more beautiful, more perfect? She is Vinayak's daughter, Siddhi. All of you, my well-wishers, my loved ones, I invited you. You have come here today, Sunday afternoon. Lot of people have to go to the Kavle Jatra, because now the Jatra is going on, but you have come here all. I'm very, very not thankful, but grateful to you all for coming here to attend this function. Just now you have seen the purpose of this function, the museum being inaugurated by the dignitaries on the dais. The museum was conceived, designed and taken to completion, work for 3 years. We planned, executed, 3 years it has gone into it, by architect Mrs. Renata Figueiredo. She belonged to the Figueiredo Bhatkar family of Margao. And I am informed that their property extended just outside Wadi to the north. How far it is going to the south, I don't know really. Much beyond my imagination. She lives in Margao and commuted here in her car and with all her staff. She never relied here. She brought everybody, designer, planner, carpenter, painter, plumber, everybody she wanted. She brought them here with her. And she was working here. How many, over the 3 years, how many times she has come? 100 times, maybe 100 times. She is not charging any professional fee to me. Why she is doing this? As a matter of fact, I feel she need not work at all because she is the wife of a very famous neurosurgeon from Margao, from Goa, Dr. Antonio Figueiredo. He has got enough fame and enough money. She need not work also. Plus, they are bhatkars, you know. Is she doing this because she is wife of my student? Perhaps not. Because I have got other students in Goa who are not even looking at my face. You know? We are all obliged to contribute to the society where we live. Spirituality, humanity, and modesty helps one to understand these virtues through morality. Unfortunately, all over the world, not only in Goa, not only Vadithar, but all over the world, the modern society is shifting from spiritual aspirations to a tussle for material accumulation. Most people seem to ignore morality. At 83, I am now coming of age and feeling tired. But during my life, I chose Wadi Taravali as the central point for my social contribution to the rural society. Our village temple did not have a mandap, and during festivals, the most important entertainment activity held late at night was drama, always drama. With dew piercing through the makeshift roof, the spectators were shivering rather than enjoying the drama. So my social work started by building RCC mandap in front of the temple. My brother is sitting here. He will vouch for me. Without informing my brothers, sisters, and relatives, I demolished my ancestral house overnight, and in its place I built a beautiful 2-story house and equipped with facilities like library, reading room, toy room, children's play garden, medical dispensary, community hall, where people can hold all sorts of good activities, and I donate it to the villagers. They are from group, registered group, they come every day, morning, evening, they do their work, and I feel very happy. I built a separate building and equipped it with first-class gymnasium and machinery, and 3 feet open to all the villages around Wadi Taravali. I feel happy when boys training in my gymnasium win Body Beautiful prizes. One such example recently is Vishant Gowde, who has gone Body Beautiful. I built a badminton court, and they play all Goa badminton tournaments on that court. And then came this beautiful cricket ground that you see on your right side. Cricket is played here 365 days of the year. It does not matter whether it is raining, whether it is winter or summer, nothing. Even today, after our function, they are waiting outside. There is a match here. Yesterday, for 4 days, I think they were playing. All Goa police tournament was going on. From today, I think all Goa Panchayat tournament is starting. They are just waiting for us to get us so they can start the match, you know. So you can see all the preparations are ready for them. Then came this beautiful cricket ground where you see, even today, after our function, there is a match. It is being used for other activities besides cricket, like school and college annual sports, and such inspirational activities. Just outside the ground, there is a jogging strip, which is being used in the morning and evening by many people coming here for jogging, walking, and breathing very fresh air right at the top of the hill here. To promote good health, discipline, dedication, and education, I started the sport of marathon over the last 20 years. It has become icon sport activity of Goa with many international runners taking part in it. I felt I must give food for thought to the brain of school and college students, and hence this museum was contemplated. Mr. Nichal Israni, founder and chairman of Blue Cross Laboratories, he helped me to build this pavilion. And in that pavilion, we are now holding the museum. After this inauguration, Pratishthan has already appointed a guide, and we will be bringing here batches of students from schools and colleges at least twice a month and showing them around this museum. My conception is that if we show it to a group of 20 students, maybe 12, 13 will just come because they are being taken there, nothing more. They'll just say, 4 or 5, they will just curious, what is there in the museum or something. But even if only 2 students take the message seriously that I can do this, that will be my success of this museum. Most of you know Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev. Do you know, many of you? Yeah, many of you know. I like him. There are so many Sadhgurus and so many Gurus, but I like Jaggi Vasudev. You know why? Because his thinking is very rational and very practical. He said that if one has to remain happy in life, money will not bring happiness, but he should make a resolution at the beginning of the year that during this year he will do one social program, and then he should show determination and tenacity and discipline to take it to completion before the end of the year, so that next year he can start one more project. If they do this, this world will be more beautiful. How many of you have done such resolution in 2021 to make a social project? If you have not done, still there is enough time, because we are in the mid-Feb now, year to go. Please make a resolution to have a social program, show the determination to complete it before the end of the year. At the beginning of 2021, I made 2 resolutions. This 0.8 kilometer stretch of road between the main road and the ground was not concretized. I spoke to Dilesh Gaonkar. He called all his contractors and said, look here, on this date we are having a function that before that you have to concretize the road. Don't worry about money, I stand guarantee. And here they agreed for a deferred payment. Wonderful, no? Social sense, And the road is complete. You have now come on the concretized road here. And my second resolution was this one. This jogging strip, where people are utilizing in the evening and morning, this is the top of the hill here. So it is very dark in the morning. Similarly, early in the evening also, it is dark, So I was feeling concerned that they should have a light around that. Again, I spoke to him. I spoke to Israni of Blue Cross. He also gave me some money. I put some money from my pocket, and rest organized by Dilesh Gaonkar. You see those poles, 39 poles they are around the ground. They are the lights they have put already. So both my projects of 2021 are complete in mid-Feb, thanks to Dilesh Gaonkar. Such projects going on for years together, 35, 40, 45 years. I received lot and lot of cooperation from hundreds of people, impossible to name them. But I would like to mention the name of Mr. Vinayak Sadanaik. He just retired as a chief manager from the Bank of India, but Bank of India has given him the responsibility post-retirement. He has been made advisor to some of their projects also, and he is working with them now. He has been working hard in all my activities in Wadi Talavi right from the beginning. I also feel happy to note, I told you just now, this daughter also, Siddhi, is inheriting this characteristic. During this journey, I also lost a few of my workers. Murari Wadikar was always there. Every day he opened the house, lighted the rooms, lighted a oil wick in front of the god, lighted the incense, and make it look active. Narayan Travalikar was my ardent well-wisher and participated with love and zeal in all my activities and program. Babu Sagaonkar was my well-wisher and participated in many of my programs. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated, but I wish to take this opportunity to maintain 10 seconds silence in respect of the departed souls. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Finally, I would like to give you a thought to ponder upon. When one retires from his respected position, either you are a chairman, whether you are a chief minister, or whether you are a minister, time comes one day you have to retire. What will be for a person, old man like me, I am 83, I could be retiring from this world only, anytime, What will be the feelings of the people? It will be inspirational or instigational, as it happened with ex-president of America, Donald Trump, when he retired. I have no doubt that most people will enjoy the shadow of the banyan tree that I have created in Wadi Travali, and that will be my success. Remember, when I die, wherever it may be, Goa, Mumbai, or any part of the world, because I travel a lot still, I will always take with me in my heart the memories of Wadi Travali. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.